A non-governmental organization, Nkwachukwukwelu Charity Foundation, has given educational succor to some primary schools in Umoji, Idemili North local government area. The 3 primary schools that benefited from the largesse include Our Lady's Primary School, Ugumba Memorial Primary School, and Dimechem Primary School, Umoji. Emengini Osadebe, who covered the event, reports that some less privileged families were supported with cash for their children's school fees. Her report is taken from our studio.
Material distributed include exercise books, pens, pencils, erasers, school bags, sharpener, among others. Speaking when receiving members of the foundation led by its founder, Chief Chidubem Mwakwe, the parish priest, Our Lady of Seven Sorrows Catholic Church, Umoji, and the proprietor of Our Lady's Nursery and Primary School, Umoji, Reverend Father Paul Ejikeme, appreciated the philanthropic gesture of the foundation, praying God to bless and sustain the program to make great impact in the society. The founder, Nkwachukwukwelu Charity Foundation, Chief Mwakwe, said the initiative was born out of passion to promote education and support the less privileged in the society, calling on well-meaning individuals, corporate bodies, national and international agencies to support education in the state. The head teacher of Ugumba Memorial Primary School, Umoji, Mrs. Angelina Okeke, and her Dimechem counterpart, Mrs. Chidebelo Mwafo, thanked the donor for his kind gesture and prayed for divine upliftment of the founder. Some beneficiaries, both pupils and their parents, who expressed joy at the cash and gift items, thanked the foundation and prayed God to replenish his purse.
We have various aims and objectives, which includes relieving the widows of their burden, the less privileged, and providing educational materials for school pupils.
Emengino Sadebe, ABS